Hey friends, if you wish to delete temporary files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, search for the word disk cleanup, and this is the easiest method. Open a disk cleanup tool, check all of these files here, temporary files, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files, and it will start deleting all the temporary files on your system, including those in the recycle bin. The second method is manually. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the word temp and hit enter, and then click on continue. Pick any file, press Ctrl plus A to select all, hit the delete key. Now click on continue. It will need administrator permissions, and then delete all the temporary files. Now you'll notice one thing, that it won't delete each and every one of them. It will delete a few of them, not each and every one of them. The reason is that a few files are still in progress. After this, press the Windows key and the R button together. Type percentage temp percentage and hit enter. Now pick any one file, press Ctrl plus A, hit the delete key, and then click on continue. Okay, it will start deleting all the files except for a few which are currently in use. Then press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command prefetch and hit enter, and then click on continue once again to give permissions. Select any one file, Ctrl plus A, and delete, and it will delete all those files, the temporary files. This should be helpful, but there are some users who want an even quicker method, though this was very quick as you can see. So here's my suggestion for them. Search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, we have a lot of cleaner software. So search for the word cleaner. Okay, now CCleaner is the most popular software, but you can use this Cleaner Plus app by Nero AG, which is getting more popular recently. So you can install this app on your system, and once it is installed on your system, you can use it to clean junk files on your computer. And all of these apps, including the CCleaner app, are quite heavy software, and you'll have to give them a few administrator permissions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.